Mohd Riyajuddin Khan na Doctorate degree Amadi Global Excellence Award 2025 Fangkhre. Mohd Riyajuddin Khan Lilong Turel Hanbida Leiba Marum Maulana Abdul Qadir Bogi Mayum Amadi Hazibi Vasirjan Bibi ki machanupani Magna Manipur Maitei Pangal Community ki ahanba Electrical Engineer Oikibagal Lunina Hauzik Power Department Superintending Engineer Oina Thavak Tauri Magna Engineering Loiraba Matungda LLB Pass Tauki Aduga Master of Business Administration MBA in Project Management da Kennedy University of Paris Tagi prestigious degree amuk fangki Mahak Computer Amadi IT ki field dasu PGDCA fawba tamba loishankre Mahak ki hotnaba kanba thavak tauba matamda sincerely tauba society amadi community ki thavak kayada responsible person ama oina thavak taurakibana mahakpu Dunster School of Business Switzerland dagi Honorary Doctor of Philosophy in Transparency and Community Development Service da Doctorate degree pirakibani Hariba Doctorate degree asi Dunster School of Business Switzerland gi President na New Delhi dangasi pangthokiba yamna chinglemlaba convocation amada khutsina kibani amarom dasu yamna thaganingai amadi Manipur Maitei Pangal community gi oina Southok Saningai Oiraba Dr. Mohd Riyajuddin Khan da New Delhi da pangthokiba Global Excellence Summit 2025 da Excellence in Transparency and Community Development Service Award su khutsina rakre